3-row pancake boxes, as defined by the National Electrical Code, or NEC, have specific permitted and prohibited uses when it comes to lighting outlets. Understanding these guidelines is crucial for safe and compliant electrical installations. Let's explore the permitted uses. Firstly, accessible ceilings are a permitted use. 3-row pancake boxes can be installed in ceilings that are readily accessible without the use of tools. This accessibility is key for future maintenance and inspections. Secondly, floor-mounted fixtures are permitted use. These boxes can be used for floor-mounted fixtures such as pedestal lights. The low profile of the pancake box makes it suitable for this application. Thirdly, fixtures suspended from the ceiling are a permitted use. 3-row pancake boxes can be used for fixtures suspended from the ceiling with flexible cords or chains. This allows for adjustable and decorative lighting options. Now let's delve into the prohibited uses of lighting outlet boxes as specified by the NEC. Firstly, splicing or tapping conductors is prohibited. The NEC prohibits using the box to splice or tap conductors. Junctions must be made in appropriately sized and rated junction boxes designed for that purpose. Secondly, supporting or securing devices is prohibited. You cannot use the box to support or secure devices or equipment. The box is not designed to bear weight beyond the lighting fixture itself. Thirdly, encasing a junction box is prohibited. Placing a junction box inside the lighting outlet box is not allowed. Each box must serve its intended purpose and not be combined. Fourthly, mounting a receptacle is prohibited. Installing a receptacle in a lighting outlet box is not permitted. Receptacles require their own dedicated boxes and wiring configuration. Fifthly, supporting a fixture is prohibited. Using the box to support a fixture that is not specifically designed to be mounted in a lighting outlet box is against code. The fixture's weight and mounting requirements must be compatible with the box. Sixthly, installing a switch is prohibited. You cannot install a switch in a lighting outlet box. Switches require their own dedicated boxes and wiring. Seventhly, installing a socket is prohibited. Installing a socket for a lamp or bulb in a lighting outlet box is not allowed. Sockets are part of the lighting fixture assembly, not the box itself. Eighthly, running conductors through the box is prohibited. Using the box to pass conductors through without making a connection is against code. Each box is intended for specific connections and not as a raceway. Ninthly, using the box as a pull box is prohibited. You cannot use the box as a pull box to pull conductors through. Pull boxes are designed for facilitating the pulling of wires through long conduit runs. Tenthly, using the box as an access point is prohibited. Using the box as an access point for making connections or performing maintenance beyond the intended purpose of the lighting fixture is not allowed. Access should be provided through appropriate access panels or junction boxes. Adhering to these permitted and prohibited uses ensures electrical safety and compliance with the NEC. Always consult the latest edition of the NEC and local codes for specific requirements in your area. When working with electricity, always prioritize safety and consult with a qualified electrician if you have any doubts or questions. Electrical work should only be performed by those with the proper training and qualifications. Always de-energize circuits before working on them and use appropriate personal protective equipment. This information is for educational purposes only and should not be considered a substitute for professional electrical advice. Improper electrical work can lead to serious injury or property damage. Always follow the NEC and local codes to ensure electrical safety and compliance. Understanding the proper use of electrical components like 3-row pancake boxes is essential for anyone working with electrical systems. These guidelines help prevent hazards and ensure the safe and reliable operation of electrical installations. By adhering to the NEC, we can create safer environments for ourselves and others. Always remember that electrical safety is paramount and should never be compromised. When in doubt, consult with a qualified electrician to ensure that all work is performed correctly and safely.